Dan's going to teach me how to use our robot mop. So here it is here. Okay, Ann, what do I do first?
I guess you need to get two mops, and then you have to moisturize
This side or this side?
this side.
This side. Just a little bit or become really wet?
You need make it really wet.
Okay.
Oh, be careful.
Okay. It's okay. Okay.
Oh my God.
It's okay. I'm a clumsy guy. A real clumsy
So
guy.
clumsy, yes.
That's a thing,
You are
yeah.
so clumsy.
She says, you're so clumsy.
And then put the water here too.
Okay.
Yeah. You open here and then you can pour
Fill it
the
up.
water. Yeah.
Okay.
Fill it up.
Yeah, look here. There's a little chamber inside it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Small chamber. You have to pour the water and fill the chamber. Oops.
Okay, it's filled. All right.
Oh my.
It'll be fine. There's a learning curve to this. I'm learning to help out better on the chores.
We need the remote.
Okay, you find that and I'll do this.
Get the remote.
They call remote controls remote cons here in Korea. Do the same with air conditioners. Air conditioner, air con. Remote control, remote con.
Here you go.
Alright. Filled. I didn't make a mess of this one.
Okay.
Alright, so now...
And you're
what do I
gonna
do?
attach this.
Velcro, okay.
Yeah. There's a Velcro, yes. You can explain if you want.
Yeah, like this. Okay, so
Yeah,
I just take, there's Velcro on the bottom. I just hook the Velcro on.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you gotta.
Just push it in?
Yeah.
Okay, oh, it's a little
Push it in.
hexagon shape. Alright. Yeah. So we just put this together like that. Alright. I need the remote control to make it go.
Yep.
What, just press the go
You
button?
have to press this button
power
first.
light here.
Yeah.
Alright, it's lit up for power.
And then use the.
Just the middle button here, go.
Or there are several options.
Okay, which one should I press?
Maybe this is automatic cleaning.
Automatic cleaning. Alright, it's all in Korean, so it's hard for me
자동
to...
청소.
Okay, so I
you
press
can
this
press
button.
that button.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Look at it go!
Yeah.
Let you guys look at this for a minute. Here's the remote control.
You can show the maybe camera a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye. Bye.
Alright. We'll let you look at the robot for a little bit
Yeah, you
before
can
we shut it
show
off.
this, through the camera.
Yeah. We'll let people look at it for a few minutes and then we'll put it up. I like watching this thing. It's kind of fun. I've seen Roombas before. I have a brother who owns a Roomba, but the Roomba's not so interesting. This thing is a mop.
Yeah, you can push a little bit here. Yeah.
Oh, it's leaving the camera. Oh, it's coming back. And that's our mop. Have a good day.